Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to yet another video. Igama lami Queen Anne, and I also go by the name of Peter. If you are new here and you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified whenever I am posting a new video. If you are a returning Sabi Umdasekaya, thank you so much for your undying support. Your love and your presence is highly appreciated by moi, of course. So today I just wanted to do a very short video. So you're gonna be cooking with me on, and it is how to make shrimps. Shrimps are not for everybody. I know some of the people don't like shrimps, so today it's for people who are eating shrimps and love shrimps. So I'm gonna quickly show you the ingredients that you need to cook the shrimps or to fry shrimps. It's an easy dish, it's a short dish. You just go in and go out. So while I'm quickly showing you the ingredients, if you're not subscribed, go subscribe. So let's check the ingredients. So our ingredients are very, I had a bit of add-ons on my ingredients. I just want to quickly fix this light. Ooh, not you falling. Seriously, girl? Okay, I think you're fine now. Okay, over here we've got spring onion, we've got red peppers. These red peppers are not the ones with chili. We've got garlic, fresh garlic, and we've got over here your actual what you call butter. This is not margarine, it is butter. So you need to use butter instead of margarine because butter is the healthiest, and obviously the taste is different. And also you will need olive oil, you need pepper flakes. I'm just gonna quickly show you what pepper flakes I'm using. They are very affordable. These pepper flakes, you get them at Spar, you do get them, and Checkers, Pick and Pay, I think all the grocery stores do sell this. And also you need paprika. This is what you also need. Sometimes I make shrimps without putting in the two ingredients, which is spring onion and red pepper. But today I wanted to zhuzh it up and make it interesting. So let's cook, babies. So the first thing that you need to put in is your butter. This is not it is not the only amount of butter that you will put in. We will also put in a bit. So I'm gonna put in a bit of olive oil over here just to make sure that the butter doesn't burn. So you don't put too much olive oil, you just put an amount that is enough to protect your butter from burning. This is a spoon of olive oil. I'm just gonna drizzle it in, and yeah, you want to make sure that your heat is a bit high, especially if you are using electric stove. I'm using gas stove, so the heat is mostly very intense. Oh, I also forgot that you will also need lemon. You need a bit of lemon. This is going to be added just to make the sauce for your shrimps. If you didn't know what shrimps are, these are shrimps. These are shrimps. So these shrimps that I have here were frozen shrimps. It's not fresh shrimps, it's frozen shrimps. So you need to defrost them first before you can use them. Make sure that you defrost them. You don't put them in like warm water or any or microwave. You don't do that. You just defrost them. Just put them out. If you know you're going to have some dinner that has shrimps, put them out. Make sure that they defrosting naturally, and you don't put them out for sunlight or something like that. You just make sure that they defrost naturally, and then you're going to add all your actual ingredients except the shrimps. And when you're defrosting your shrimps, make sure that you put a bit of salt, just to make them to have that seasoning already, without you adding too much salt. You just add them. You should just add salt on your frozen shrimps when you're defrosting them. And because there's a lot of things that will go in here, it is black pepper is going in. The chili flakes are going in, the paprika is going in, a bit of salt will go in, including the lemon. So after at least 3 to 5 minutes, when you see that your vegetables are a bit not really fried, but just a bit, and you're going to add your shrimps. Ooh, just listen to that sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. And what you're going to do now is to add your pepper flakes. After adding your pepper flakes, you need to add your black pepper. After that, you just need to add your paprika. I'm not going to tell you how much you need to add and stuff like that. You just need to try this recipe, and I'm telling you, you will be the first one to actually tell me that the recipe was fantastic. I think we need a bit of salt, just a bit. And that's about it. There's nothing else that you need to add now, except for your lemon and a bit of butter, just to make sure that you've got enough sauce. Okay, you're not gonna add too much butter. We're just gonna leave it here to just fry a bit, and then we can add our lemon. So now we're gonna be adding our last scoop of butter. Not too much, just a good amount of butter. Then after butter, we're just gonna add our lemon. Not a lot, otherwise it will be very sourish, and you don't want too much sourish taste in your shrimps. And frying shrimps, you just need 5 minutes to fry them. You don't want to overcook them, and you don't want to eat them raw. Obviously, this is not sushi, unless if you want to eat shrimps as sushi, but this one is not sushi, so I don't know. I don't think it is treated, especially the frozen one. I don't think it's treated for you to eat it raw. Not sure. I feel like my salt is not enough. I'm just gonna add just a tiny little bit salt, and I'm just gonna add cayenne pepper just to make it a bit spicy. Ooh, I think that was a lot. That was actually a lot, and the problem is my partner doesn't like too spicy, and I have my own sauce that I want to add when I eat these shrimps. It is a spicy sauce from Nando's. It's very spicy, extra hot, and that's about it. This is your shrimps. You are done. You are done. So I made this corn just to go with the shrimp. I'm just gonna add it over here. The reason why I'm adding it here, I want it to suck all the juices as well, just to make it a bit fun, a bit tasty. I'm just gonna mix all this corn with the shrimp. And that's about it, guys. This is your shrimps. Ooh, Jesus. This is your shrimps with corn. Now I cannot wait to dish it up, and then I will show you my plate.
Look in the fridge. Sure. There is not really any coolness coming in. There's no wind at all. You want more? Lucky.
So guys, this is our shrimp. It is yummy. Now I'm gonna be eating. Yum yum yum. I'm so happy that it looks delicious. I hope it tastes delicious. So thank you so much for watching this till this far. Have a fantastic one. Goodbye.